how to customize phone app. Open the keypad or last view on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on phone app. Now here click on keypad and click on this three dot icon, and you will see open to keypad. So you will see phone will always open in keypad view. Keypad last viewed. So click on contacts and click on this three dot icon and go back recent. You will see, and click on this three dot icon, open to keypad. So after watching, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can customize phone app, open keypad or list last view on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.